Study, learn, collect. Another way to learn. I'm all about the science, baby. Yeah, science, bitch. Hello everybody and welcome once again to Morbid Education. And today we have Phil, my adorable, cute little ball python. Well, not little, he's a big boy at 4 feet. But he is joining us today with this lovely unboxing for the bone box. But anyway, let's get on to it. And this is the unboxing for May 2019. So actually for this box, I do not see any kind of card. There was a little wine voucher on top, but no card inside yet. So let's unwrap this very light wrapping and see if we have it there. Ooh, okay. So let's start off with the little addition of the box, which is a little skunk claw. And it's funny, I was just showing skunk videos the other day to this one kid. So, that's so cute. So the skunk claw is $3 within this box. And then we have this skull, and I'm keeping the card upside down so that I don't accidentally see what it is. But this bubble wrap is also very nicely put on here, so it's also very hard to find the end. Ooh, okay. So this skull is another pheasant skull. This is how this one arrived. This one might be a bit smaller than the last pheasant skull. I am not 100% sure. So this is pretty much the same size as the other pheasant skull now that I think about it. I do have the other pheasant skull like literally chilling over there because this is the first time that I've gotten a repeated skull, but it is still cool. That skull I got 2 boxes ago. The card was close in with the pheasant ossicles, and this card is like 10 times thicker maybe? I don't know. It's not bent down like normal. I want to bend it, but I don't want to break it, you know? On here it says, originating in Eurasia, the pheasant has been hunted for food and sport for thousands of years. The pheasant was introduced in North America in the late 1800s and is now commercially raised to support these same interests. Pheasants are considered omnivore, eating that's a typo. Pheasants are considered an omnivore, eating seeds, grains, and berries, as well as the occasional invertebrates. Then we have our pheasant pamphlet. So from class, order, family, genus, species, we have Aves, Galliformes, Vaccinianus, Colconchus, diet omnivore, range worldwide. This month's bone box delivers to you the common pheasant. The pheasant is native to Asia and was introduced to the United States in the 18th century. Pheasants are one of the most common game birds, along with quail and guineafowl. This bird demonstrates sexual dimorphism, with females in general being smaller and less colorful. Young pheasants are also less colorful, which helps them avoid predation. They have very opportunistic feeding habits and are able to catch small mammals and reptiles when they are not eating seeds, grains, or fruits. This makes them omnivores. They use their claws to dig out prey from the ground and can even dig through 12 inches of snow to find food in the winter. Pheasants can run to escape danger or spring off the ground into flight to avoid predators. Despite not being able to sustain flight for very long distances, young pheasants can begin to fly at 12 days old. And that was this month's bone box. I hope you enjoyed it. So our new addition for our collection is the skunk claw. The rest we have had, but you know, not 2 skulls are ever really the same. There are usually some kind of differences, you know. And I'll hope for future observances and trying to figure stuff out. I hope you guys have a lovely day. This has once again been Morbid Education, and feel along with us. And I shall get out of your hair. Until next month, until next time, I hope you guys enjoy.